I really think that this is a good opportunity to help you start saving and achieve your financial goals. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that can help you grow your savings and jumpstart your investing journey. Today we'll be diving into the world of investing in Pag-IBIG MP2. So first things first, let's break down what the regular Pag-IBIG Savings Fund is and what the Pag-IBIG MP2 Fund is. The regular Pag-IBIG Fund was an answer to the need for a national savings program and an affordable house financing for Filipinos. The fund was established in 1978 to primarily address the basic housing needs. So basically, if you need assistance in paying for a house, you can go to Pag-IBIG and apply for housing loans. So all employees have government-mandated Pag-IBIG benefits. So if you inspect your payslip, you can see that there is a deduction of 100 pesos every month, and it's also matched by your employer by another 100 pesos. So 200 pesos goes to your regular Pag-IBIG Savings Fund every month. On the other hand, MP2 stands for Modified Pag-IBIG 2. It's an investment program offered to active Pag-IBIG members or even those who have retired but have at least 24 contributions. Now you might be wondering on why you should consider investing in Pag-IBIG MP2 if you already have the regular Pag-IBIG Savings Fund. It's because MP2 offers higher dividend rates compared to the regular Pag-IBIG Fund, making it an attractive option to growing your hard-earned money. So here are some other features of the Pag-IBIG MP2. Number one, it's easy to save as members can save for only a minimum of 500 pesos per remittance. Number two, as mentioned earlier, it earns higher dividend rates than the Pag-IBIG regular savings. Number three, the dividends are tax-free and it can be withdrawn annually or after the 5-year term maturity. If you are into investing already, you know that when you invest in the stock market or other investment vehicles out there, usually you are being taxed of 12%. Even the ones that are part of your savings account in banks, that amount, that measly low interest rate is also being taxed. You might be asking, how does it work? I want to invest in it. So when you invest in Pag-IBIG MP2, you have options on how you want to contribute. It could be one time or also called as lump sum. It can be monthly or it could be annually. At the end of the 5-year term, you can choose to withdraw all of your savings, or you can also create a new MP2 account to reinvest your capital and your dividend earnings. So in investing, the longer your money stays in that investment vehicle, the more money you can get. So now let's talk numbers. So for example, you want to contribute 1,000 pesos monthly into your Pag-IBIG MP2 fund. At the end of your 5-year term, you would have contributed 60,000 pesos. But here's the exciting part. Based on historical dividend returns, you can potentially earn up to 7% per annum. After 5 years, your 60,000 peso investment could potentially earn 21,000 in dividends, and that's a total of 81,000 pesos. So just imagine what you can do with that extra money. You could use that for your dream vacation, you could use that for down payment for a house, or you could invest it further to achieve your financial goals. I invested starting 2021, but 2022 I didn't put extra money in it. Now let's address some common questions that you might have. You might be wondering, is it safe? Well, Pag-IBIG is a government institution after all, so your money is being backed by the Philippine government. Another question that you might have is, how do I invest in Pag-IBIG MP2? There are 3 simple steps that you can do to start investing in it. So number 1, check if you're eligible. You have to be an active Pag-IBIG member to be able to start or open a Pag-IBIG MP2 account. Step number 2, visit your nearest Pag-IBIG branch, or you can also go to their website to open an MP2 account. Step number 3, you can start contributing as low as 500 pesos. You could deposit the investment through over-the-counter bank deposit, or online, or even through authorized collection partners. There you have it, a brief overview of what Pag-IBIG MP2 is. If you have more questions about it, just let me know on the comments section down below so that I could help you guys out further. I really think that this is a good opportunity to help you start saving and achieve your financial goals. And remember that it's never too early or too late in investing. The important thing is that you take the first step in helping yourself have a brighter financial future. So if you think that this information is helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more of my uploads regarding personal finance and investing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!